Is a story, is a bold coming-of-age series that talks about friendship, identity, empowerment, and the realities of the youth today. Can you add more to that, Direk? What can you share about the story of Misbehave?
Okay, I think the heart and the depth of Misbehave really, it talks about traumas.
Trauma nino, mga ano ba to? Estudyante?
Traumas, especially girls.
Girls.
Who
Student
are
girls. Are they in college or in high school?
high school.
High school, okay.
And it also talks about misogyny
Okay.
and a system that keeps failing its people. So it's very relevant, it's very now, especially sa nangyayari sa atin ngayon. So these 5 girls experienced a very traumatic situation na kailangan nilang pagdaanan together
In school.
in school.
Can you share, Alexa, ano yung traumatic experience or is it a spoiler already?
Ano naman po, actually it was shown in the
Go
trailer
ahead.
naman na parang yun yung doon nag-revolve din yung story. The girls, the 5 girls all sent their nude photos or explicit photos to the boys that they love. And
What?
yes.
Okay.
And this, yes.
What?
Yes, and then so they plot their revenge. They plot their revenge and how they can claim their power back, how they can get their power back against some mga perpetrators who did them wrong.
Okay, so the 5 girls are kayo.
Yes. Yes.
So kayo yung na-traumatize.
Yes.
Okay.
Sadly.
Your unfiltered description of your characters. We begin with Alexa.
I am Miss Perfect. Miss Perfect, Misbehave. Yes.
Okay.
Marla is literally perfect. She's a straight A student. She excels in everything that she does. She is a genius. Genius. Well, they're all geniuses.
Okay.
Anyone who goes to school at SOSH is a genius.
Ah.
So, may kanya-kanya kami mga amats and everything.
Okay.
But I would like to say na si Marla, her weakness, her biggest weakness is her boyfriend, si Cole. Kumbaga, matalino siya sa lahat, pero sa pag-ibig na dyan, tanga siya.
Sino si Cole dito?
The handsome.
JC, go ahead. Describe yourself. So, your character here is Cole. Ano naman si Cole? Kung super genius yung girlfriend, ano si Cole?
Ako dito, leader ng King of Sosh.
Ah.
And pressured lang ako because of my dad. Kaya yun yung nangyari. So, yun.
You know how in school there are queen bees,
That's right.
kings and queens. So we are the queens and
You're the king.
he's the king.
Ah.
So may grupo-grupo kami. And
Okay.
internally, there is some fight for power. There is some fight for being at the top between the girls and the
And the
boys.
boys.
Yeah.
Territorial, diba? Sai, what's your character here?
Ako po dito si Nix Rodriguez. Kung siya po si Miss Perfect, ako si Miss Mel.
Miss Ma'am. Bakit ka laging Miss Ma'am?
Ganun talaga, Miss Mel. So, pag pinanood natin, malalaman natin bakit Miss Mel siya. Basta, siya yung color kasi ni Nix is yellow. So, siya ang magdadala ng sunshine and yellow.
Pero kung Ma'am ka, mabakla ka ba dito? Ano?
That's for you to judge.
Ah!
Pero parang gano'n na nga po.
Parang
Pero-
babaeng bakla.
Yes.
Ayun.
And at the same time, ang forte, kung si Marla naman, Miss Perfect, siya naman ang Kebs na Miss Imperfect siya. Wala siyang pakialam sa gagawin niya, basta gagawin niya.
Unapologetically
Yes!
her.
Unapologetically, ma'am.
Ma'am.
We also have our own superpowers.
Yes!
Yes, kami 5 girls. So si Marla, ang superpower niya is photographic memories.
Si Nix
Okay.
naman, innovation, mahilig siya sa mga buting-ting, robotics. So, ganun siya ka...
So yung mga geek.
Yes, hindi pagka talaga.
Geek talaga.
Kanya-kanya in our
Kung
own
meron
ways.
siyang Cole, sino sa'yo?
Of course, my very pogi. And special, yes.
Ang pangalan naman niya ay Raven. Go ahead.
Hello po, ako po sa series, ako naman po si Anthony Pedron, pero Ant po yung nickname ko, ako po yung boyfriend ni Nix. Part ako ng Kings of Sosh, yung mga, kumbaga, alpha in school.
Okay. May secret ka daw dito, no? Na hindi ka pwede i-reveal. Oo, parang may secret daw dito si Ant. Ayan. Next, Rain, your character here.
Ayun, yung superpower ko naman, or core of my intelligence is chemistry. Mahilig siya mag-potions. So my character's name is Isabel Kalakian, which is siya yung gusto magpatumba ng lahat ng kalalakihan sa aking likod. So, she really wants, she doesn't have ethics, she doesn't have values, but she has a point every time she speaks.
Nakakatawa yung she doesn't have ethics, she doesn't have values.
Yes.
Pero meron siyang point. And did you say word potion?
Yes, mahilig ako sa chemistry. So I make like weird potions for them to, I don't know. We'll see. You have to watch it to understand.
Mga gayu-gayuma, ganyan.
Yes.
Oh.
My color is purple and my puro siya mata. She barely moves her face. And yeah, she speaks facts.
Oh, so sino naman sa'yo kung merong Cole at Ann?
Pwede mo bang sagutin?
Ay, hindi ba pwede?
I don't think I can.
Sige.
I don't know if I can.
Okay. Thank you. Andy, ikaw naman.
So, ako po, yung role ko po ay si April Javier. She's actually the half-sister of Cole. So, April is this computer whiz. She's a hacker. That's her special power.
Hindi naman scammer, hacker lang.
Hacker lang.
Hacker
We
lang.
don't do scamming here.
Okay.
And she's the unfiltered personality. She is very indecisive, impulsive. She's rude. She doesn't, hindi siya maayos makitungo sa mga tao. She's antisocial. But honestly, beyond that, it's a girl who just wants to be loved.
That's kind of, opposite, ironic antisocial pero nasa group.
Yes, and you know paano kami
Okay.
naging isang group.
Yun nga ma-unravel dito. Rans, ikaw naman.
Ayan, ako naman dito si Daphne Baldemore. Si Daphne Baldemore, best friend siya ni Marla. And she's strong and very honest. Ganun siya magsalita. Tapos, very ambitious talaga siya. Kinakahiya niya actually yung pagiging mahirap. Yeah. Siya lang kasi
she
yung
was
mahirap.
poor.
Yeah. Siya yung scholar siya, kaya siya nandito sa SOSH. Pero hindi siya mayaman, lahat sila mayaman. Ako lang yung mahirap. So, kinakahiya ko yung pagiging mahirap ko. And somehow, parang medyo, mag-best friend kami, pero medyo Marlo wannabe siya. Parang gano'n.
And what's your superpower?
Okay, meron naman. Magaling siya sa numbers, yun na lang.
Numbers, math, mga ganyan.
Yes.
Okay, do you have a partner?
Yes,
Okay.
I also have a complicated relationship with my boyfriend, Lester.
Okay.
Castellano.
Lester, go ahead.
Yung superpower ko. Hello po, I play as Lester, no? And Lester Manalo. What can I say about my character? Parang, kasi part ako ng King of Sosh. So si JC, si Cole is basically like the alpha male. Tapos ako naman yung role ko is basically like I'm his right-hand man. No? So if anything happens, I'm always in front of the line. Yun, about my character, very dominant siya, honestly. Very cliche na typical bully, I would say. Bully. So, bully. You'll see. Pero si Lester, very in-depth siya. Like, my mommy issues, my daddy issues,
Okay.
madaming issues.
Ano ka daw Nepo baby ka dito Kasi,
Exactly. So, parang, alam niyo na. Alam niyo na.
okay. Toxic daw, medyo barely daw yung character na rito. Okay. So, Zach, G, anong character mo?
Kaya character ko dito, pangalan niya si Earl Natividad.
Okay.
Siyang geek, weirdo. So, anong mga ginagawa ng weirdo? Tinatry niyang magpa-cool. Tinatry niyang sumali sa Kings of Sosh. Pero malalaman natin kung makakasali ko siya sa Kings of Sosh.
Uy, may ganun yung trying to fit in.
Yes.
Diba? Kasi ganun tayo nung bata tayo, we try to find a group where we belong para safe space natin siya. Okay, simulan na natin yung ating Q&A. We have questions here from our friends from the press. We begin with Alan. Ay, ikaw ba? Kasi kala ko kakanta ka dito Aki, go ahead. Sorry, Aki. My apologies.
Ayun po, yung character ko po for this is si Warren Gala. Ano siya? Very intentional. Very grounded sa mga pinaniniwalaan niya. And para lang siyang kabuti na musan-san sumusulpo. Kabangan nyo na rin din po. Kasi minsan nandun ako, minsan wala ako. Tapos biglang nandun lang pala sa gilid. So yeah, kabuti si Warren, tapos may bangs din siya.
So, parang may love triangle. Parang ganun eh. Kasi, di ba? Parang lumiit ako. Ayun ang alam ako. Parang lumiit ako. Okay. Thank you, Aki.